Mic check 2025. Welcome to NRA show. This is our first time we're doing the event in Atlanta, so we're excited to see what they're offering, and we're going to take you along with us. If you don't mind telling us about the METE MC9 Prime.
We've got the Canik METE MC9 Prime, and it has a bunch of different differences between its closest counterpart, which is the MC9 LS. And the LS is going to be the same footprint, so the same barrel length, same slide length, same grip length. The big differences are grip texture. The Prime comes with an integrated magwell, but it's removable. So if you want it to be like easily concealable, you'd probably pull that off. But if you are wearing bulky clothes, you leave that on for faster reloads if needed.
That is nice.
We brought the texture all the way to the top on the side. So on the LS, you lose texture right about that mag release. On this guy, you get it all the way to the top. And we increased the aggressiveness front to rear. So with your right hand, it locks you in front and back. But the side panel is a little bit more subdued.
Okay.
It's enough to get a full grip, and it's not going to slide around with your left hand on there. But that's what contacts your body when you conceal carry it. So you don't want that overly aggressive.
Yeah,
so this
for sure.
you can easily appendix carry, press directly up against your body, and not, want to go crazy, right? But really nice front cocking serrations. We have tritium night sights, front and rear.
That's nice.
We've got an integrated 3-port comp on the front of the gun as well. We have our diamond cut aluminum flat brake trigger.
I wanted to ask you about that.
Yeah.
What's the difference between like the SFX rival? Because it feels like a same shoe, same trigger.
There are a lot of
but
similarities.
Not.
Functionally, it's the same. Dimensionally, it's a little bit different, right? So you'll notice this curve starts a little bit further down on the Prime.
Yeah, because mine is like 90-degree angle.
Correct. Yeah. So it's very, very similar. It's not exactly the same though. And then
it's definitely not the same. I feel the difference between that and that. Like I've shot a lot of bullets on that one, and this one feels just a little bit different. But I cannot pinpoint what it is.
Plus, as far as weight goes, like you want a really predictable trigger with a fast reset, but you don't want a super light trigger on a concealed carry.
On a concealed carry, yeah.
Exactly.
And what's the brake? How many pounds of braking?
Right around 4.
4 pounds?
Okay.
Okay.
So not super heavy, not crazy light, nothing like that. It's right where you want it to be.
And that comes together with it, right? What's the MSRP?
MSRP is $649.
$649.
And yeah, it ships with 2 17-round magazines. You have this hard-sided carrying case that comes from the factory. We have our tool kit. So inside here, you've got your screwdriver bits, screws, that kind of thing. So anything to accessorize this as far as the magwell or the optics plates, that kind of stuff, is contained.
So you're buying 2 guns for $600.
Exactly, perfect.
Pretty much.
Different back straps, and then we partnered with G-Code to make a custom holster for us. So this is inside, outside the waistband, ambidextrous holster from G-Code.
Awesome. And no coins on this one, right?
No challenge coins with the
Because it looks like the same one.
You gotta get the TTI.
Yeah. But the feel of the box, it gives me that TTI feel to it.
Yes.
Like
Yeah, and it's 2-tiered. So on the second level, we have the other half of the G-Code holster for outside the waistband, and then we've got punch, some cleaning tools.
Yeah, we love your guns, guys.
Yeah.
Like, I think for the price on the market and the quality of the firearm you produce, you're one of the best. To be honest, with like everything that you're getting for around $600, it's hard to compete.
Value.
Yeah.
No, absolutely, appreciate it.
Yeah. I got like maybe 4 of those already from different guns that we bought. Like they're all over the house if you just need to load something. Yeah, this is awesome. I like it a lot.
And I really like that grip texture and the way it feels. It just fits the hand really well.
Yeah.
It's super nice.
For $600 is already pre-cut.
Yeah.
You have great trigger. I mean, optic cut as well.
Yeah.
Extended magwell.
What's the footprint for the optic cut?
RMR SC.
RMR. Okay. So
Yeah, RMR SC or shield.
okay. Yeah. That makes sense. It's about that size gun.
But also for a concealed carry gun to have tritium night sights from the factory is a big deal.
That's
You're
really
looking
good.
at about